Hi, I'm Mike Abbey from iSeek Blinds. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a link layout number 4 and a link layout number 5 and just show you exactly how that works and how to measure it. So we're talking about the link layout number 4, which is this guy here, and a link layout number 5, which is this one here. So once again, we've got our link layout chart so we can see exactly how it works, and we've also got our check measure worksheet so we can record our measurements and get everything written down nice and accurately. So this particular blind that I have behind me is a double roller blind, but we can achieve our linked layouts 4 and 5 with single roller blinds as well. So the same rules apply, single roller blinds or double roller blinds. So what it does, it's great for those really large sort of bifold doors or sliding doors. And as you can see, it gives us the appearance of 3 equal sized blinds, whilst they don't have to be equal, but you can see that we've got 3 similar sized blinds. We've got a little gap between our blinds, and we've got the brackets that look nice and neat and nice and flush. So with this one here, you can see if I roll that down, if I can move my arm for you, you can see I've got both blinds operating together from the left hand side, and this link layout is a layout number 4. We've got our exit door on the right hand side, so you can see I've got separate control of this right hand blind, or in fact 2 of them in this case, but with the right hand blind. The link layout number 5 is the same thing, only it's the opposite. The single blind is on this side and these 2 blinds here are on that side there. So it's just the opposite that you can see in the picture. Now, the idea of this layout here, again, we don't want any chains to be down in the middle of the opening. So if we've got our bifold doors open, we certainly don't want any chains hanging down. So that's exactly why we use the link layout number 4 or number 5. Again, we've got good flexibility and we can match the windows, or match the doors that you have there. So, how to measure? The same rules apply for how to measure for an inside mount roller blind or an outside mount roller blind. So I'd like you to have watched those videos first, just to sort of understand exactly what the process is. But essentially with this layout here, what you're doing first of all is telling me what the overall measurement is from the left hand side to the right hand side. You're putting just a little mark on the architrave or the window frame where the center of the overlaps are between the doors there. And then you're telling me blind 1 is this measurement here to the pencil mark, blind 2 is that measurement there to the pencil mark, and then blind 3 is that measurement there to the pencil mark. So the 3 sizes that you give me equal the overall size, and you choose the right layout and you make it all perfect for your windows and doors. So I hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.